how to get free games on your Mac computer. So in this video, I'll show you how to download and play free games on your Mac. Now this will work on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, and also iMacs as well. So the first method is you can just come down to your taskbar at the bottom of the page, and you can click on this icon here to open up the App Store. Now you can also use the search box at the very top, and if you search for App Store, you can also go and open this directly from here. Now once you're on the App Store, we need to scroll over on the left hand side and then click on Categories. You can then select Games, and here you'll see a collection of both free and also paid games as well. Now if you scroll down the list, you'll see this option for top free games. So what you can do is click on the See All button, and here you'll find all of the free games that you can get on your Mac computer. So if there's a game here that you want to download and install, you can simply press the Get button next to that application, and you can go and download it onto your Mac computer to start playing. Now there is a second way to get games on your Mac as well. So what you can do is just open up an internet browser, and in the search box type in the word Steam and press enter. You can then scroll down to this website, which is store.steampowered.com. Now press Install Steam in the top right hand side and click on the Install Steam button. Now go and click on your downloads icon, and you'll need to go and open up this steam.dmg file. So I'm just going to double click on this, and it would take you over to this window, and then you simply need to drag this application over to this folder like so. Now once this has been installed, you can then come down to the Finder in the bottom left hand side, click on Applications, and then you'll need to scroll down until you see Steam and go and open this. You'll then need to wait a few minutes while Steam goes and downloads onto your computer, and once it's finished downloading, you'll need to create a free Steam account. So you can just press Create a Free Account at the bottom of the page, and you can go through the steps to set up your account. Now once you've created your account, you can scroll through the library, and you'll be able to find many popular games that you can download and play completely for free. So you can see here that we have Counter-Strike 2 and also a bunch of other games completely for free.